Hey friends, if you encounter Microsoft sign-in error 1200 something went wrong, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's the thing, I always try opening office.com to check with the status of my Microsoft account. Why? Because Microsoft uses single sign-in. So if I am able to sign into Microsoft.com, then maybe the sign-in credentials are right, and we should always verify the sign-in credentials before anything else. So as for clearing the cache and cookies, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on the bin symbol here, select the time range as all time, click on clear now. The next solution is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on apply and click on disable all, then on apply, then on OK, and finally restart your computer. And obviously check the server status, though it is very rare for Microsoft server to be down, but check Microsoft server status and hit enter, and then go to this what do we say website, which is portal.office.com/server status, and check whether you have a green tick for everything or not. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.